Jain University in Bangalore has opened up its application forms for the year 2024, and ever since that has happened, I have gotten tons of queries from you students about how you need to fill in the form, which course is good, which course is bad, what are the things that you should know about Jain University, all of that. Obviously guys, I cannot cover each and everything in this particular video, but I am going to be telling you in this video of how you need to fill in the application form for Jain University 2024. Please make sure that you watch this video till the very end, because I want you to not do the mistakes that a lot of you people in the past have done it. Your seniors in the last year have done it. So please make sure you watch this video till the end so that you have a lot more of clarity. I now will be taking you to my computer screen where I will be showing you step by step of how you need to fill in the form. Let's get started. Alright guys, now as you can see on my computer screen, I have opened up the official website of Jain deemed to be university. And here you'll find all the details relating to about us, the admission process for UG, PG programs, international admissions, cancellation rules, academics, because Jain University offers lots of courses in UG, PG, and they have different campuses across Bangalore. That's the reason you can go through all of this detail for any details that you really need, whether it's their scholarship or their online programs, distance education and whatnot. So for MBA students, you need to click on MBA JET 2024. BTech students, you have to click on this to know more about the admissions of 2024. Same is the case with PG. As far as the MBA admissions are concerned, for which I was getting a lot of doubts guys, this is the important updates. These are the marks that you need to have whether you are appearing for NMAT, CAT, GMAT, CMAT or ZAT, and all the details of all of this is mentioned here. Like I said, I'll be filling in the form for one of the courses to actually tell you the step-by-step process so that you all avoid the mistakes that a lot of people make. As you can see here, there are different options of apply UG, apply PG, apply MBA, apply BTech, inquire now. Let me just click apply to UG and another tab will open up immediately then. That is where you need to fill in or register yourself up, because I have not registered myself. Let me do that right away. I will. You can select your nationality, whether you are an NRI, overseas citizen, Indian national or foreign national. Guys, please note that the fee structure will differ depending on what you are really choosing. So please be very, very careful. If you're not an NRI, please do not do NRI, because you will have to pay more money. Student name, for now I will just write my name itself and I will put in my email ID. Now you need to put in your phone number. Please make sure that the phone number is correct, because later on you will get OTP on the same. Now, one of the very important things for you to note is that because of the NEP, which is new education policy of the government, there is lateral entry which Jain University is taking from second year onwards. So for all those people who want to move out of their college in the first year and move to Jain University in the second year, they are also very welcome to do that. But I will right now do undergraduate program regular. Now let me select the program name. Just for the benefit of everybody, let me do this time. Okay, let me do a BCA course, or let me do a, just for the benefit of everybody, let me do their BBA program. Okay, now as far as the specialization is concerned, I would right now, you can choose the specialization you want, whether it's branding and advertisement, sports management, BBA WOW or corporate BBA. Right now I will just do corporate BBA and I will add my password. I'm not a robot, and let me register. Like I said that there will be OTP that will come, so I'm just waiting for the OTP. Okay, so the OTP has arrived. Now I am going to be logging in back again. There you go guys, as you can see, now this is my admission portal, or as so many of you know it, called the dashboard, and this is where you have to start filling in all the important information. Guys, you can change your course in case you don't want to apply for the BBA program. You can go for BCA or Bachelors of Design, or bachelor's of art, whatever you're comfortable with. But right now I'll just stick to whatever I've already selected first. From then on, you need to start filling in your personal information, the caste category, your blood group, father's name, and all of them have red dot, which means it is compulsory for you to fill in all of these details, and local guardian and everything else. Please all the time do save and next, because sometimes of technical glitches this portal can vanish away. I will just fill in random information for now. You can also select your family income, whichever bracket you want to put yourself in. Please fill in your address. Select your state. For me, I will just do right now Assam, and I will do Guwahati. Oh, I don't know the pin code of that, but same as permanent address. Save and next. Education information is very important, guys. The 10th standard examination or the 11th and 12th, whichever you have it, please do that. Please fill in your marks or the CGPA that you've gotten. If you've taken up any competitive exam, you can even fill in for that, like for those. This basically is for the MBA students, CAT, MAT, CMAT, whatever you fill in, you can fill in those codes. It's not compulsory, so you can avoid it as well. But for MBA students, it is compulsory. You need to fill in some exam details. Another very important thing for the MBA students is they can see the add button here, and you can add another test score or whichever test score that you want if you've given multiple exams, and then they obviously will take your best scores of the exam. Okay, I've selected. Now you need to fill in either your 11th or 12th marks, or if you've done any diploma. So again, I'll just copy paste these things. Guys, you please fill in the correct information. I am right now just filling random information like this, but you please do all of that. So please fill in the details of where you studied your class 11th from, your class 12th from, in which stream was it, when are you passing, board exam. All these things are very important, so please do that. Other very important section at Jain University is the additional information, which is the extracurricular activities that you've done in the past. So you can put in all the details like, debating, dancing, quizzing if somebody is a quizzer. You can even singing. I mean, whatever extracurricular activities that you are in, please put in all these details. How did you come to know about Jain University? You can, I don't know if they have YouTube as a feature. If they don't, I mean, put in whatever that you feel is absolutely fine. Reference maybe. Hostel accommodation. Do you want a hostel accommodation or not? Yes or a no. For, I think majority people prefer to stay out, so I'll say no. Have you previously applied to Jain University? If you are a first time applier, then say no, otherwise you can put a yes. Have you studied in PUC at Jain University? PUC means pre-university college. This is majorly for students who've done their class 11th and 12th with Jain University. As you all know that Jain University also offers that, but for majority people it will be a no, so let's just say no, save and next. Now this is where you need to upload all your documents, and guys, please do that and make sure that you match the criteria. So you need to have a photo and choose a professional photo, not just a random selfie or something like that. And please upload the file. Then your marks of 10th, that is compulsory that you need to do it. 11th and 12th marks are not compulsory. As you can see, there is no red dot and all of this, so you can avoid. If in case you already have the scores, like for someone who's taken a drop year, you can upload that file right now itself. Just for reference purposes, I'll just upload something. Now I've done next. This is where all the terms and conditions will come in, and please read them before, please read them very carefully before you submit the application fees. This is a non-refundable fees, and you need to appear for JET, which is Gen Entrance Test, includes written test, group discussion and personal interview. At the same time, you need to meet the criteria for the minimum cutoff for the class 12 board results that will come off later. Okay, all these important details you can take a screenshot of it, read all the documents that you require, whether it's a 10th mark sheet, transfer certificate, migration certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card, all the details that you need to fill in. Please do that, the cancellation process, everything. Right now I'll just do I agree and submit. Now you need to pay your application fees, which for Jain University is 600 rupees for corporate BBA. Obviously guys, this application fees differ from course to course, so you need to check in for your course. I am not going to pay now because I actually don't need to pay, but for those who need to fill in the form, you need to do that. Another very important thing I want you to take you to is the application status. Here you can fill multiple forms and you'll see the course status of each of those, whether the application fees has it paid, not has been paid, not paid, all of that. Communications is where you'll get details of when your entrance test is going to be, when your interview is going to be, all of that. And from here you can log out whenever you want to. So this is how you can fill in multiple forms. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you got clarity on how you need to fill in the form. Please subscribe to my channel so that you get a lot more of other updates on my other videos that I'll be making. I'll see you all in another video. By the way, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all. Take care guys.